Okay, y'all, I literally have no idea if this is gonna work. I feel like I keep trying and trying and trying to record these videos, and I have no idea if it's working. But I will not give up. Let's see if this works. If I can't get it to work, I will do it on Friday. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm opening the homework up on my laptop so that I can just do these problems as I see them, because it is exactly what you see. Okay, so homework RW, factoring and rational expression inequality. Problem 1 says find the degree of the polynomial. What I am given is 3x6, now positive 2x to the 5th, and then negative 3. The degree of a polynomial is the largest exponent that you see, which would be 6. This is problem 1 on the review homework. Okay, problem 2 on the review homework. Says to perform the indicated operation. What they have is in parentheses 9x cubed, negative 10x squared, positive 3x, negative 6. Then they have a negative sign, open parentheses, 7x cubed, negative 9x squared, negative 7x plus 2. Okay, so it says perform the indicated operation. In between those parentheses, you see a negative sign. What this actually means is that we are going to distribute. This is technically a negative 1. And you're going to multiply everything on the inside of these parentheses by a negative 1, which essentially changes their sign. So we're going to do negative 1 times all of these terms right here. So the left-hand side remains unchanged. We have 9x cubed, negative 10x squared, positive 3x, negative 6. Distributing this negative in, positive 7x cubed times a negative is a negative 7x cubed. Negative times a negative is a positive 9x squared. Negative times a negative is a positive 7x. Negative times a positive, signs are different, so it's a negative 2. And then what we're going to do is combine like terms. I see I have a 9x cubed right here, and I have a negative 7x cubed. When you combine these together, the signs are different, so you subtract, and you get 2x cubed. Whenever you add or subtract variables, you keep and keep. And then here we have a negative 10x squared, and we have a positive 9x squared. Signs are different, so we subtract and we get 1. Keep the sign of the larger, which would be a negative 1, keep and keep. So it's a negative x squared. And then we have our coefficients with the x variable. Got a positive 3x, positive 7x. Signs are the same, so we would just add and keep the sign, keep the variable. And then lastly, we have our constants, which is a negative 6 and a negative 2. Signs are the same, so you add and you keep. Our final answer after performing the indicated operation is 2x cubed, negative x squared, plus 10x, negative 8. Okay. Moving on to problem 3. It says multiply using the rule for the product of the sum and difference of two terms. Y'all, technically this is saying that we need to FOIL these two factors together. 2x positive 9, and a 2x negative 9. FOIL is first, outer, inner, and last. And what we do is we multiply this 2x by 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. Then we multiply 2x by this negative 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Signs are different, so it's negative. Don't forget your variable. Then we do 9 times 2x. 9 times 2 is 18. Signs are the same, so it's positive. Don't forget your variable. And then lastly, we do 9 times 9, 81. Signs are different, so it's negative. Then if you notice, these right here are inverses. They're the exact same number, but with different signs. So they actually cancel each other out, and what we're left with is 4x squared and a negative 81. Okay. Problem 4 says multiply using the rule for the square of a binomial. Problem 4. Multiply by using the square of a binomial, x plus 8 squared. This is saying that what's inside of this set of parentheses is multiplying to itself twice. So you actually want to expand x plus 8. This is this. These are equivalent. This is saying I have 2 of them. If there was a cube, you could do it 3 times. Once you have 2 binomials multiplying each other, what you do is you FOIL, which is what we did previously. X times x, keep and add, x squared. X times 8 is 8x, and that's positive. Positive 8 times x is another positive 8x. And then 8 times 8 is 64. Signs are the same, so it's positive. If you look here, those are common terms. They both share the same variable, x. So what we can do is combine them. This x squared comes down. 8x plus 8x, well, 8 plus 8 is 16. That's positive. When you add or subtract variables, you keep and keep. So keep your x, keep the same exponent, and then your 64 comes down. And that is your answer.